Devagar, pode vir.
Liberar a carga. Atenção na esteira.
Truck A, you are clear to approach the tippler. Secure your brakes and wait for the lift sequence.
Watch the belts, we got a heavy load coming down. Keep that line moving.
This batch looks very good. Yes, much better than the last one.
The freshly shredded cane is transported on heavy-duty conveyors towards the first stage of the crushing process. After crushing, the raw sugar juice is collected in these channels and rapidly pumped to the next stage of purification. Clarification tank levels are optimal. Proceeding to evaporation stage. The addition of milk of lime is crucial for clarification, raising the pH and causing impurities to coagulate. The mechanical skimmers precisely guide the unwanted foam away, revealing the clear, golden sucrose solution beneath. Attention all personnel. Pipeline pressure stabilized at 20 bar. Ensure continuous flow to Station 4. Here we see the steady stream of high-purity syrup being delivered to the vacuum pans, ready for the crystallization process. Check the pressure on vacuum pan 3.
Reading steady at 25 kilopascals. Control. We are ready for the crystallization sequence.
The crystallization process begins as the supersaturated solution cools. Notice the perfect geometric structure.
The crystallization process requires precise temperature control to ensure perfect monoclinic structures, as you see here. A mesmerizing display of industrial precision, where time and temperature combine to create the perfect crystal. The centrifuge spins at high speed, using centrifugal force to separate the pure white crystals from the dark molasses. This synchronized process ensures peak efficiency. The dark molasses is diverted to tanks as the pure white sucrose moves rapidly down the line. The crystals now enter the fluidized bed dryer, where heated air efficiently removes the remaining moisture. The refined white sugar crystals are cooled on vibrating conveyors. A gentle, controlled airflow ensures a stable. Advanced screening machines ensure every crystal is precisely the right size. Diverting oversized crystals to chute B for reprocessing. Quality check complete.
witness the culmination of refinement, where pure cane sugar is transformed into sparkling gems. Sample acquired. Analyzing purity levels. All systems operating within optimal parameters.
The uniformity is exceptional across the sample.
Agreed. The lattice structure is perfectly consistent.
Purity at 99.9%. Moisture is negligible.
Confirmed. The batch meets specifications.
Attention all staff. The quality control clearance for batch 4B is confirmed. Resume normal operations.
Attention all personnel. Silo 4 levels approaching maximum capacity. Ensure transfer valves are secured.
Our precision-controlled discharge systems ensure a smooth, continuous flow of refined white sugar directly from the silos. Our state-of-the-art weighing machines ensure unparalleled speed and accuracy.
Sequence complete on line 4. Vibration levels stable. Prepare for sealing process. Make sure the seals are holding on the next batch before we increase the speed.
Our vision inspection system guarantees printing accuracy, utilizing high-speed cameras to verify every label before shipment. Quality deviation detected. Reject mechanism engaged. Production continues at optimal speed.
The high-speed laser printer guarantees efficiency and traceability for all products.
Pass. Verified. Sugar bags aligned. Transferring to crating station.
These machines operate in perfect synchronization, preparing the strong corrugated boxes for our refined white sugar bags.
Pure refined sugar, packaged automatically for consistent quality and freshness.
The flow rate on line 3 seems stable now.
Yes, the adjustments worked. We are clear for final packaging.
Automated sequence complete. Next pallet loading in T-5 seconds.
Attention all floor staff. Please ensure all pallets are cleared for automated transport by 1600 hours. Palletizing team. Inbound shipment arriving at Dock 2. Repeat, Dock 2.
Bringing the last pallet from the wrapping area now. Roger that. Make sure lane 4 is clear for the next run.
Attention all personnel. Ensure all sugar pallets are secured before transport to Section C.
Control, this is aisle 7. Pallet 304B secured in location High Bay 12. Confirming shipment readiness. Pallet 34B sugar scanned. Inventory updated. Ready for the Gwangju dispatch.
We need 500 bags ready for the Priority 1 shipment immediately.
Understood. We'll get it loaded right away.
All right, easy now. Bring it right up to the bumper. Bay 3 is clear for the sugar load.
Bay 4, confirm load secured. Lima Charlie, moving to Bay 3.
Ensure the straps on row 3 are completely secured.
Already done. Final manifest check is clear.
This shipment is cleared for departure.
pure, refined, and ready for delivery. This is how we sweeten the world. The heart of our operations, working tirelessly to bring pure cane sugar to the world.
Spanning over 100 acres, this facility processes thousands of tons of sugarcane every day, ensuring a steady supply for the nation.
As the sun sets on another day of production, these trucks